In just 5 minutes, you will learn how to make a drink that can change your life. Hi everyone, welcome back to Naya's Remedy. In today's video, we are going to be making a refreshing drink recipe that is perfect for weight loss and detoxification. And we are going to be needing just three simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. So here are the ingredients as you can see on your screen. This recipe combines the nutritional benefits of cucumbers, limes, and ginger to create a refreshing and filling drink. Cucumbers are 96% water, making them an excellent source for replenishing fluids. Cucumbers contain anti-inflammatory compounds which reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Cucumbers also contain fiber and water, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them perfect for weight loss. Lime is rich in vitamin C, essential for immune function and fighting off infections. Lime contains antioxidants, protecting cells from damage and reducing oxidative stress. Ginger, on the other hand, solves digestion issues like bloating or cramps. Ginger helps to stimulate metabolism, aiding weight loss and energy boost. Now, let's prepare this amazing drink. So guys, I would like you to keep watching. If you want to lose weight, this is a powerful boost. I'm going to be sharing a secret that has been helping me. I'll tell you the reason why you should take it 30 minutes before food, and that will be towards the end of this video, so you wouldn't want to miss that, okay? So make sure to keep watching.
Oh my God.
So here is our simple, delicious and healthy drink. This drink will help boost metabolism and digestion. It will keep you hydrated and flush out toxins from your body. It also helps to support your immune function, making you not to fall sick all the time. And the king of it all is going to help you to lose drastic weight. Like, it works like magic. This drink is going to help you to lose pounds. We are going to shed pounds, okay? So if you want to lose weight, because you know the festive season is around the corner, Christmas is fast approaching. So if you want to get that banging body, drink is perfect for you. Just give it a try and you will be glad that you did. So I want to share some tips for best results, okay? Yes. So I told you I will be telling you a secret before the end of this video. Yes, I'm going to be telling you. Just sit tight, okay? So this drink should be taken at least 1 liter per day. Yes, 1 liter of this drink per day is very good. So another one is to consume this drink 30 minutes before food, 30 minutes before meal. Yes. And why you should take this drink 30 minutes before meal is for it to help to suppress your appetite. Yes, guys. It works like magic. Like, if you are that type of person that normally finish full bowl of rice or fufu or semo or whatever you like to eat, you are going to reduce it by force. Once you take this drink 30 minutes before food, it's going to help to suppress your appetite. It has been working for me, and a lot of testimonies, people that have recommended this drink for, they have been saying the same thing, okay? So make sure to try it. 30 minutes, just take it 30 minutes before your food, then you will see. Also, take this drink before bedtime for detoxification, okay? Yes, if you take this drink before bedtime, by morning you will see it will just flush out a lot of things, a lot of impurities from your body, a lot of toxins from your body. Last thing at night, when you're about to go to sleep, just take it and then go to bed. Reduce the quantity of food and try to eat healthy, okay? And please consult your health professional before using this treatment for any medical condition. It's very important. Adjust ingredients according to your personal preference. So guys, I would like you to share your experience and tips in the comment section. Please, if you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and wellness advice. I will see you in my next video. Bye.